The climate today was wonderful. It was less than -10, and it is very pleasant here in Siberia when you have minus less than 10 degrees. Less than -10 degrees. See, this is what happens when it's cold. You fumble. So thanks a lot for supporting me. Thanks a lot for sharing it with your friends. And I really need all of you. And I really want to show you this part of the world. And wherever I go, I'm extremely passionate about showing you these beautiful places. So please bear with me. With time, we can together grow and we're gonna get good at it. Thank you very much. So this is me again signing off for now. I'll be back with some more. Thank you very much.